Our UV laser printing technology is highly trusted in the pharmaceutical industry. Qualicaps was the first in Japan to provide this kind of technology, and we've steadily continued to have the largest market share. Building on that technology, we are releasing a new laser printer which is more compact, faster, and easier to use. The QUALIS UV laser printer. Let's take a look at the QUALIS's printing process. The tablets that are loaded into the hopper pass through the supply feeder to the disc ring feeder. In the disc ring feeder, the tablets are aligned and suctioned onto the marking disc. The marking disc uses suction to transport the tablets, so pressure is not applied to them. The UV laser prints on one side of the tablets as they're transported across the first marking disc. Next, they are transported to another marking disc, so the UV laser can print on the opposite side. The tablets are then discharged. Let's take a look at the mechanism used for UV laser printing. When the UV laser hits the titanium oxide that's coated on the surface of the tablet, the oxygen atoms are released. With the separation of the oxygen atoms, the ratio of titanium to oxygen changes, and the titanium oxide turns from white to gray. This mechanism is used for UV laser printing. UV lasers do not use pharmaceutical ink to print. As a result, there are no defects such as missing text, double printing, or transferred ink. In addition, text can be designed in CAD using the included CAD software. You can design and print not only text, but logos and illustrations as well. UV laser printing has a wide printable area, so it's effective in increasing visibility and preventing accidental ingestion. In addition, due to the non-thermal effect of the UV laser, printing is done by changing the color of the surface of the product without causing thermal denaturation. Since ink and organic solvents are not used, workers and the surrounding area are not adversely affected. Animal-derived ink is not used, so it also complies with halal law. Qualicaps uses its own original disc ring feeder. It consists of only 2 rings and 1 disc, which allows for high-speed alignment and easy maintenance. This transport mechanism has made it possible to print up to 400,000 tablets per hour. In addition, due to the high versatility of the parts, there's no need to produce special accessories for different tablets, which improves both cost performance and maintainability. By raising the tablet discharge position, the equipment designed for post-processing is simple and easy. The QUALIS is 1.4 meters wide, 1.6 meters deep, and 1.8 meters high. It's compact in size with a built-in blower, so additional space is not required. All that's needed is a power supply and compressed air. The QUALIS series product lineup includes the QUALIS UVD, which is capable of double-sided printing, and the QUALIS UVS, which specializes in one-sided printing. You can select the type of printer to match your needs. In addition, by connecting the QUALIS to the tablet visual inspection machine, it's possible to perform precise, high-quality printing immediately followed by visual inspection. Meeting your needs for accurate, high-speed printing along with easy installation and maintenance. The QUALIS UV Laser Printer.